Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine. That's good. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is Sharing is Caring. Today is lecture 8 under the title of Writing Skill. We are going to learn about fruits and vegetables. Before this, in your English primer, you have learnt many names of different fruits and vegetables. For example, apple, orange, and many. But I've seen in your primer, there are many fruits and vegetables and you know their names. So this is how today we are going to learn further to recognize and categorize fruits and vegetables. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah 55, verse 68, therein will be fruits and dates and pomegranates. Subhanallah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning these fruits names, and where we'll find them? In Jannah, inshallah. In Jannah, there will be fruits and dates, dates, yes, and pomegranates. So beta, to reach to Jannah, we need to work very hard, and inshallah in Jannah, we will eat all these fruits, okay? And we are going to learn many more names of fruits today. So first you tell me, do you eat fruits and vegetables? Do you eat fruits and vegetables? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you said yes. Every one of you should eat fruits and vegetables because it's good for our health, right? Especially, have you ever heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away? So when you eat an apple every day, you stay healthy. You need not to visit any doctor, okay? So beta, we should eat fruits and vegetables. So it's a time for activity, teacher. What we need to do, we need few seasonal vegetables, seasonal fruits, and you may take pictures or flashcards, but if you bring real fruits and vegetables, it's really good. One basket with fruit tag and other basket with vegetable tag. After this arrangement, what we need to do? You will mix all the fruits and vegetables and place them on a table. Now show fruits and vegetables one by one. Ask students to name it and recognize it. Categorize fruits and vegetables by placing in the relevant baskets, right? So how to conduct this activity? Let's watch a video for the activity. Yes, my dear children, I hope you enjoyed it, and now you can recognize and name many fruits and vegetables. Okay, so next is a project related to this. Teacher, what we are going to do, you will show different pictures the way I have placed it. Place only pictures and make slips for their names. Whatever the picture is here, you will write their names on paper slip. Now fold the slip, mix it up, and call every student one by one. Every student will come, pick up a slip, and will read. First, we'll read the name. For example, it's Peach. Next, this child will connect this name with that picture. Where the peach is, that's here, and the child will match it, okay? So this is how you will complete this project. Pause the video, enjoy this project, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. All right, now it's time to practice it from your book. You will recognize the given object. First, you will recognize them and circle the vegetables and tick the fruits. Write their names in your notebook in two separate columns, okay? So what you will do, you will first look at the picture. If it's a vegetable, you will circle it. If it's a fruit, you will tick it, and then you will make two columns in your notebook and write the names of fruits in one column and vegetables in other column. So pause the video, complete this task in your notebook, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good, you are smart. So, you see, today we learned many new names of different vegetables and fruits. So, it's time for your homework. You will draw two fruits and two vegetables, color them, and also write their names. And another homework I'm giving you, you will visit a fruit and vegetable shop to recognize and categorize more fruits and vegetables. Okay, go with your parents to a fruit and vegetable shop and find out what fruits and vegetables we can find in market nowadays. Okay, this is your homework, and here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you are going to do? How many vegetables do you see? Circle them and write their names. So what we have learned today, we recognize fruits and vegetables, we categorize fruits and vegetables, and we achieved our SLO to recognize and categorize fruits and vegetables. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.